Hey there, this is the lesson overview for the Bill of Rights and the 5 American Values. Today's student expectation is to be able to analyze and evaluate the text, intent, meaning, and importance of the Bill of Rights, as well as Tocqueville's 5 American Values. You'll be able to write about the purpose of the founding documents by comparing the 5 American Values to current and historical events. Lesson expectations, completion time of about 45 minutes. Your overview will once again discuss the unit vocabulary, and you'll make sure you complete that in quizzes. Practice as many times as you can. You'll move to the learning folder where you'll complete a discussion board quick start, and you will watch the lesson video on the Bill of Rights and Tocqueville's 5 American Values. Then you will move on to the practice folder where you will use Kami to complete the lesson activity. You're going to analyze each slide to determine which of the 5 American values is being represented. And then you will complete the assessment on the Bill of Rights. Best of luck. Have a great day.